Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is standing lumbar extensions for low back pain, leg pain, etc. So we're going to stand with kind of a wide base. I'm going to place my hands. You can kind of use fists or kind of an open hand like that against the small of my back. And I'm going to lean backward as far as I can, and I'm going to give a little push with my hands. So bend back, hold it just for a split second, and then come out. If there's pain with this movement, just touch the pain, come out, touch the pain, come out. If you do start experiencing pain, numbness, or tingling down the legs into the feet, please stop the exercise and let your practitioner know.